Hello, I'm Chris. I'm the Managing Director here at Stop Start. We are a niche delivery business. Our speciality is delivering heavy, awkward, hard to handle, outsized goods for predominantly the bathroom sector. We operate a fleet of around 50 vehicles. Each day we're planning around 800 to 900 individual deliveries. Each one of them is a new, unique location. And that makes it quite difficult from a planning and a software perspective. And it means really that the software has got to run thousands and thousands and thousands of combinations. And that's where the processing power of Descartes, we think, really came into its own. And it was able to produce a solution within a very, very short space of time. We went through a process of reviewing quite a lot of different options across the market. But what we found quite quickly was that there were very few solutions that would have the power and the processing power that Descartes had. I felt that it would future-proof the business and future-proof future growth. So we did look at other solutions that didn't seem as robust, perhaps didn't have the same resilience in the cloud. And actually already we're looking at adding some additional functionality in terms of customer communication through SMS, which again, I don't think is so readily available with some of the other providers. One of our concerns during the implementation phase was the fact that we were going to be going from a completely paper-based way of working, the way we'd always worked for many, many years on a Friday, to a cutover to completely automated using Descartes system and handhelds on the Monday. It was obviously a big, big transition for the business and all of our drivers that were used to a particular way of working. But we held a training session for everybody on the Saturday in between, set everybody off at 4 o'clock on Monday morning, and we were really impressed because the whole thing went completely seamlessly. We had no issues. When the drivers came back that evening, they all said it was fantastic, actually much easier, more convenient than using paper. From them, we haven't looked back. One of the really useful added features of the Descartes system that we invested in was the vehicle safety checks. So previously, we've been doing vehicle safety checks manually using clipboards and sheets of paper. Now, really usefully, it's all done on the driver's handheld that's running the Descartes system. It means that all of the vehicle checks are captured electronically with photographs. It then goes back into our system and our transport manager can manage the repairs that are needed in a much, much better way. We deliver both for trade and also direct to consumers' front doors. So the electronic proof of delivery, for example, is a great feature of the Descartes system that really helps us support the customer journey with consumers. The second the delivery is made, then the electronic proof of delivery is emailed through to our end customer, which is great. So we're really excited that Descartes is going to help us as a business to grow, and it's going to help us to get closer to our customers through the great customer feedback system that it operates. We're currently doing 45 to 50 delivery routes a day, and that translates through to around 800 to 850 individual deliveries. Now we really want to grow that to 2,000 deliveries and maybe increase the fleet to 80, 90 or so, and it's the Descartes software that allows us to do that.